Yes, Ida, because see, many things we have to finish, we have to cover up. Hmm? Okay, Sunday we will try. But what we are going to do for means these 2 days, what you will do? Hmm? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all days we are going to have that, correct now? Nice. It's okay. Good evening, Parani. I am 10th new subscriber. Okay. Nice. Welcome, beta. Divya, good evening. Everyone, come and join the session as fast as possible because today we are going to do first is we are going to understand surface area and volume. See, surface area in volume in ninth and surface area in volume in 10th. These two are two. Yesterday I have sent some screenshots. Is it correct? So yesterday I have sent some screenshots. In that screenshots, what you have exactly understood is that we have solved some three basic questions of applications of trigonometry. In that, okay, Smriti. So here, Praveen, good evening, beta. Elaversion, good evening, beta. So you please and Tarunish, Tarun, Tarun till now not came. Okay, so now listen, beta. So I don't know what is there. So listen, please, can I start teaching? So now you need to understand here is कि when we are, good evening Mahalakshmi. So whenever we are studying these sections, we need to understand some very important massive sections. Okay. Now the first important part is in class 9, you have talked about certain basic figures in 3D. The first important figure in 3D was, what was the figure is, we were discussing about cube, cuboid, correct now, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. So we had some ideas about all these figures, correct? Now what we are going to do here is we will be studying about the joining of the figures. Now here we are going to study about the joining of the figures. Okay, so now we will be discussing about how to join the figures and when going to home, ma'am, rain is coming. So, okay, no problem. Tarun, good evening. So now listen. So most important thing is कि when we will be joining the figures, we will be exactly understanding the basic part of it. Okay. Okay, no problem. Just do one thing. You can join online also. That's not a problem. Okay, so now we are going to start the class. Get ready for it. So now we are going to discuss some of the figures, three-dimensional figures. So 3D figures. So first figure is exactly cube. So when we are going to draw a cube, this is exactly considered as a cube. Got it? So once you are drawing a cube means this is exactly considered as what? Cube. So when you will take a cube, this is exactly considered as a cube. Now other dimensional figure if we are taking, if we will extend it like this, it will become a cuboid. Understood? So this is exactly the difference between a cube and a cuboid. In cube, all the edges, these are called as edges. Understood? So if somebody will tell you to differentiate between cube and cuboid, then how we are going to differentiate? So if somebody will tell you to differentiate between cube and cuboid, so this is exactly cuboid. So this is cube and this is cube and this is cuboid. So how many edges both the figures are there? Dhanashri, good evening beta, happy to see you. So this is exactly how many edges are there. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of edges are 12. Total number of edges are how much beta? 12. So 12 edges here, 12 edges here. So what and all things are common? 12 edges. Edges are 12 here also, correct? And here also edges are 12. Got it? Now here faces. How many faces are there? Faces means the face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces here and 6 faces here. Understood? So 6 faces this side and 6 faces that side. Sophia, good evening, beta. Everyone, good evening. Please check you are live or not. Yes. So 6 faces are there so that you can answer the questions on the spot. So 6 faces here, edges 12, 12. After that, faces 6, 6. Understood? So now edges and faces we have discussed. Now each face will have area. Each face will have area. Now here you please understand that when you talk about cube, so this is the edges x, 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 x. So length is also x, breadth is also x, and height is also x. This part is considered as what beta? This part is considered as length. So length is also x. This section is called as what? Breadth. And this part is also is called as height. So length, breadth, height all are equal. Length, breadth, height all are equal. So if length, breadth, height all are equal, then first what is the volume? Volume is area into height. Now you will be writing like this. Don't write like any other thing. What I am saying, area into height is called as volume. Area into height is called as what? Volume. Everyone check you all are live or not. In between I will call out your name. You need to respond me quickly. Okay. Satya Shai. So area into height is exactly considered as volume. Now beta, what is the area of each face? Length into breadth. See, if this is the face, we are not talking this as height. If this is the face, then this will become length into breadth. So 1 is there, correct now? So length into breadth is height. So here also area we will do, and then this part will become height. So area is side square into height. And what is side beta? Side is x. So x is square into x. So that is coming as x cube. Unit cube. X cube unit cube. I hope everybody understood. So area is coming as x cube unit cube. Hello Tanish, say beta. Vector, vector, vector. Yes, I'm going to, but I plan to start vectors today. Because vectors after finishing means massive topic will be over. Okay. How was the exam? Okay, beta. Okay, very good. Hmm. Yes, so exactly what we are doing here is we are exactly writing what we are writing. Got it? So we are exactly writing till here. After writing this part, just 1 minute. Yeah. So here exactly when we are writing this part means volume is this much. Done na? Now beta, what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid, but here it is coming as length, and this part is coming as breadth, and this part is coming as height. All three are different. So volume of cuboid will become what beta? Volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. LB is area, area into height. LBH. LB is area, area into height. Area into height, that is exactly coming that much. Now this is the next part is, now we will be talking about the surface area. Sharmila, yes, absolutely correct. All of you, please kindly be very attentive in the class and start answering the questions as fast as possible. Yes, LBH is there. LBH is there. So LBH part is there. So you need to be very, very careful while you are exactly attempting the questions. Now let's check this one out. Let's check this one out, huh? So once you have written LBH, now beta we are going to talk about area of four walls. What we are going to talk about? Area of four walls. Now we need to understand one thing here. When we are solving this type of figures, one simple concept is there which we need to take it out. I thank you for liking the class, please. Thank you so much. So now look at, so here beta when we are taking one phase, two phase, three phase and four phases. We have taken how many phases beta? Four phases. Then if I am taking this phase, that phase and this phase, that is called as four walls. What it is called as? Four walls. Thank you beta. So and here it is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4. Again it is considered as four walls. Understood? So what is the four walls or four faces we can say? Four walls or four faces we can say. So area of four walls, area of four walls, what it is exactly? Area of four walls. So if somebody will be discussing you about area of four walls or total surface area, area of four walls and total surface area, these are the two things. So four walls means what beta? Front, like one box is there and that box is open from up also and that box is open from down. So that means only four walls visible, correct now? So each wall area is how much? Tell me, each wall area is x square. X square, side square, a square, whatever. No problem, beta. How much it is? Elevation and both elevation, please say. So area of four walls, write down, next part. Area of four walls. For cube, how we are going to write? 4 into area of each face. Because cube all sides are equal, now all faces are equal. For cube, all faces are equal. So it will become 4 into x square, side unit square, square unit. This is called as cube unit, sorry. Understood? So one is exactly considered as 4a square. Yes, absolutely. And the next important point is if somebody will be asking you area of total surface area. Total surface area is 6 into side square. That is 6x square, square units. 6x square, that is side units, square units. Come on, do it. I hope everybody might have noted that one. Is it okay? So area of four walls, surface area, and what about diagonals? Because when you are going to draw diagonals, which is exactly going to be drawn as diagonals? So please pay attention when diagonals you are drawing or diagonals you are drawing at that particular moment, the diagonal will touch this corner to this corner. Understood? So when the diagonals will cut this corner to this corner and this is exactly touching, this is exactly the part of the diagonal, and here what you are going to do is this angle will become 90 degree. Done? Correct now? So diagonal will be exactly what can be the diagonal? What can be the diagonal? So diagonal formula will become, so these are exactly 2-3 formulas we have written. So diagonal of a cube, when they will be asking, so diagonal will be equal to root under side square plus side square plus side square. Understood? L square plus b square plus h square. So L square plus b square plus h square. So it will become x square plus x square plus x square. So it will become x root 3. Root 3x. It is coming as x root 3. So whenever you will be writing, this part will become x root 3. Root 3x units. So this is the way to write the diagonals. This is the way to write the diagonals. Okay, so now we are going to solve this question. I hope everybody understood. So now we have understood this part. What in all work we have done? We got first work, we got volume. Veda, okay. Where is Vasant? Where and all? In 10 minutes, in 10 minutes of the class, 15 minutes of the class, they have not joined. Seriously, I'm teaching most important thing about surface area and volume. Immediately inform them to join. Yes, I'm going to zoom the screen so that you can note down. After that, I'm going to remove that. So this is exactly the part area of the four walls. Please kindly check. The diagonals will be side square plus side square plus side square. So it is coming as this much part. Come on, 1 minute. Yes, surface area and volume. Can you open that side window? Surface area and volume. I hope you might have noted this one. So once you have noted this section, please check this part. So we have talked about cube. Now we are going to talk about cuboid. Okay. Now we are going to talk about cuboid. So for cuboid, we know that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Once we have done this one, now next part is beta. Now everything will be similar like that pattern. So what is the area of four walls? You need to understand that when you are exactly drawing, this is one face, this is front face, and that side is back face. Understood? So front and back face are two areas. It will become L, H. This side is L, H. So what is the area of these two faces? LH, LH. So area is coming two times. So area is equal to 2 LH. Done? Surface area we are going to find out. Now next part is this section and this section. So when we are taking out these two sections, what is exactly this? B, H, B, H. So area will become what? 2BH. Done? Now third one. This is exactly coming as what beta? This is L, B, L, B. So area is coming as how much? 2LB. So first, second, third. All the three, if you will be joining together, what is the total area coming? So the total surface area of this entire section, so total surface area. So surface area is coming as 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. So it is coming to LB plus BH plus LH. This is exactly coming as total surface area. This is exactly coming as what? Total surface area. Total surface area. I hope you might have understood. This is exactly coming as what beta? Total surface area. Is it okay? So did you understood how we have done? Is it very easy to understand? Upside two face, this side two face, that side two face, and each side will have same area, and then finally answer is coming as this part. Now in this one also beta, I hope everybody understood this one. By making this figure, is it easy for understand, Jotam? Is it easy to understand and conclude the part now? Hmm? Now, beta, one thing one more is there, area of four walls. Four walls means when you are taking four walls means these are the front two walls and these are the side walls. So if these two walls we are taking, that is considered as what? Area of four walls. That is considered as what? Area of four walls. And area of four walls is coming as 2LH plus 2BH. So what it is coming? 2HL plus B. This is the formula for area of four walls. That is the formula for area of four walls. Note down. Yes, that is the area of four walls. Yes, Peter. I hope till here everybody understood. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear? All of you, come on, shout out your name as fast as possible. I want to see who and all have joined the session. Huh? Jotam is here, I know that. Kavya is there. Unit. So here it is cubic unit. Volume is cubic unit. Volume is what? Cubic unit. Volume is cubic unit. Now area will always be square unit. Area will always be square unit here, and here also area will be square unit. So area will be square unit. Both the areas will be coming as square unit. Very good. Only these many children are live now. So area will be exactly square unit. Yes, beta. Only these many children are there. Super. Yes, Yashwant is also there. So this is exactly the way we are proceeding. Now we are going to go with the second one. So what is the diagonal of a cuboid? If somebody will ask you the diagonal of a cuboid, then directly we can go with the formula diagonal is equal to root under L square plus B square plus H square. Don't do anything. Diagonal will be coming as L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal. Yes, now it is always working. Area two dimension into height will become three dimension. Area is always two dimension, and when two dimension into height you are doing, for cylinder also, for cone also, wherever you will be taking two dimension, if you want to convert it into three dimension, you need to do only one work, and that is yes, root under L square plus B square plus H square. You need to do only one work, and that part is you need to just write that section. That's it, that will be coming. Okay, Shubham, good evening. So here this is exactly the part what you are doing here is, so cube and cuboid we have done about area of four walls we have done, then we have done surface area, then we have talked about volume also. Yes, Shubham. So actually we have done all that sections. Now we are going to go for the next part. Are you ready for the next part, children? So this is exactly about cube and cuboid. This is what when we are doing cube and cuboid. Now thank you for liking the class. Thank you so much. So now look here. Here what next part is, we are going to talk about cylinder. Okay. So cylinder, two important concepts, and cylinder, two important content we are going to study. So can you start cylinder please? Everybody please pay attention and go for cylinder. Now for the cylinder, we need to learn some basic things. So since surface area and volume is a real different type questions are there for here. So we are going to understand cylinder nicely. Okay. Are you ready for it, beta? So we are going to go for cylinder. Please kindly pay attention. We are going to go cylinder section means 3D. In 3D cylinder is like this. Got it? So this is exactly considered as cylinder. So when you are drawing the cylinder, please pay attention. When you are drawing the cylinder, check this one out. So this is the cylinder. So when cylinder you are drawing, here few things we need to understand. This is radius, this is diameter. Okay, now the center point, from center point this part and from center point this part. So definitely the base areas, this is exactly considered as base areas. So this up and down is called as base. What it they are called as? Base. So this one up is called as base and down is also called as base. Now what is the shape of the base region? The shape of the base region in a circle. The bases are circle. The shape of the base region is circle. So these bases are in the form of bases are in the form of circle with center O. Bases are in the form of circle with center O. Bases are in the form of circle with center O. Bases are in the form of what? Bases are in the form of circle with center O. I hope you might have understood. Bases are in the form of circle with center O. Now, beta, how many bases are there? Everybody keep responding and start answering the questions. So, here, how many bases are there? So, two circles are there. So, what is the area of circle? Area must be, the base area must be pi r square. So, how many areas are there? Pi r square, pi r square. How many areas are there? Pi r square. So, here this part is, this upside base is pi r square. So, this is exactly one circle. This is another circle. Okay. So, these two are circles, means this is one circle and this is another circle of same radius. So radius will be exactly considered as r and this is r. So what is the area? Pi r square and pi r square. Done. So now if somebody will ask you, so upside and downside both are bases. So now how to find the volume? So if somebody will be asking you volume, then how you are going to respond for volume? Volume is equal to area into height. Now, beta, it is just like bangles on bangles and bangles on bangles. So, if 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bangles are there, you are keeping all bangles one on the top. It is exactly going to make a cylinder. It is exactly going to what make? Cylinder. So, here area is equal to, area is what? Pi r square and height. So, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So volume of cylinder will become pi r square h. Note down, volume of cylinder is exactly coming as pi r square h. Everyone join the session. Check you are live or not first. So what it is coming as? Pi r square h. What it is coming as? Pi r square h. And that part it is exactly coming as pi r square h. Now beta, the next important point is surface area. There are two surface area. One is curved surface area and second one is total surface area. So curved surface area, this is volume. So now somebody talked about curved surface area. Hi Himanshu. So curved surface area is what? See, curved surface area means we will be taking only the external part, not the internal content. Curved surface area means we are going to take only the external part, not the internal content. So at the time when we are dealing with curved surface area, what we are writing? We are writing it as circumference of circle into height. So what is the circumference of circle? Because this only is the circumference. Now, when it will multiply with height, it will become 2 pi r h. So it is exactly square cubic unit and this is exactly square unit. So one is having cubic unit, another one is having square unit. That's the difference. One is having cubic unit, another one is having a square unit. Okay. One is having cubic unit and one is having square unit. I hope till here it is clear, beta. Very good. So I hope you might have understood till here. Now when somebody will be asking you, this is curved surface area. When total surface area will be there, that time what we are going to do? So what is the difference between curved surface area and total surface area? What is the difference between curved surface area and total surface area? Let's check this one out. So total surface area means when you are talking about curved surface area is this one. Total Total surface area is curved surface area up and down. So total surface area will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, because we are considering the curved surface area plus upside circle and downside circle. Upside circle and downside circle and the curved surface area. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. So total it is coming as 2 pi r square. Total it is coming as how much, beta? 2 pi r square. I hope you might have understood this one. Till here is it okay? Yes. Till here is it okay? Huh? So this is exactly about volume. This is about curved surface area and this is about total surface area. Understood? But beta, one more thing is missing here. That one section is when we are talking about hollow cylinder. So hollow cylinder is also one of the most important topic you need to understand. So today I am giving introduction. Okay. So in the introduction section, hey monkey, what you are doing? So here, please don't do like that. So now we are going to talk about hollow cylinder, how a hollow cylinder looks like and how the contents are there. Let's check this one out. So this is okay, everyone? Drawing done, curved surface area. Come on, children, everyone say, is it okay? Everyone, come on, say, is it okay? Very good. Super. So this is exactly very good. Thank you for liking the class. And here, next important thing is, huh? It's not having edge, it's curved. Curve is there. So curve will not have edges, na? Curve will not have edges. How can it be? Now look a bit. The next important part is we are going to study about, next section is we are going to learn about in 3D hollow cylinder. So what is the concept of hollow cylinder is, this is one cylinder, another cylinder will come inside it like this. Wait, drawing is. This is coming as hollow cylinder. Understood? So this part is considered as what? Hollow cylinder. Now we are going to understand about hollow cylinder. For hollow cylinder, little bit base I have done. The base will be same only. The base starting will become same only. This is considered as what? Hollow cylinder. What it is considered as? Hollow cylinder. So here this will become, wait, I need to draw it again. I hope you might have understood the edges will be exactly what? Same. The edges will be coming as same. Now please pay attention for this one. So this will become what? This will become the radius. This section will become what, beta? Radius. So here some things we need to understand that when we talking about hollow cylinder region, so please pay attention for this one. So this will become internal part. We will draw it with different color. This is internal radius and this part will become external radius. Got it? So one part will become internal radius, one part will become external radius. Internal radius and external radius. So this part is internal radius. So I'm going to draw, see, upside is a circle only now, down also circle. So now concentric circles we are going to draw to let us understand. So upside is exactly one circle, and in that another circle will be exactly like this. Got it? So now in this circle, when you will be drawing this part, this will become the internal radius. Internal radius is taken as small r. External radius will be taken as capital R. Understood? But hollow cylinder means this region only will be coming. Yes. So this region will be there. So what is the width? This is called as what? Width. So width is capital R minus small r. Remember what is the width there? So here, Rupa, yes, say. So what is exactly considered as? So internal R and external part is there. Everybody please pay attention. The width is exactly coming as internal content and external content. Understood. So this is exactly the internal content and external content when you will be writing the internal minus R. That is exactly considered as width. It is considered as what? Width. So width is exactly coming as capital R minus small r. That is coming under R minus R. Got it? Now, beta, what is the area of the width? What is the area of this one?